Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Thursday, December the 8th. My name is Barry Anderson. I'm the moderator of our trading room. This is the address to get into the room. And I am live all day long from 9 a.m. to up to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I share my screen also. It is a free room, no strings attached. Come on in, demonstrate how we use our program, Trade Ideas. I have a bunch of great traders in the room, so we're always swapping trade ideas all day long. Like if I am in a trade, I post it live and all that. But it's a great, vibrant room, so I encourage you to come in. And again, this is the link to use. If you want to take out a subscription to Trade Ideas, this is the link. And if you click on it, you will see a promo code there. Just to give you an idea, it'll be $5 a month for everything we have to offer. Okay, $5 a day. Sorry, did not say $5 a month. Okay. Anyway, another day in the old room. Now, one of the things I did is take this swing trade. This is from yesterday. Doing quite well. This was one of those ones I took on the lifetime high break, and I got in here at 923 and I added at 938. I did sell some along the way up here, and I sold some this morning up here. Still in this one though, so this is turning into a quite a nice swing trade for me. And these lifetime highs are just amazing. Now this is not a bank, but there have been so many banks that are just making lifetime high after lifetime high. So Holly was pretty active today. I actually, what did I take from Holly today? I took Plant, PLNT. Back this out of here, PLNT, Planet Fitness. And this was the alert. The alert was at 2112. I actually got into the trade at 2113, almost very soon after that alert. I think what happened, it dropped a little bit down on the 5 and then it popped back up. I liked it because it was, of course, it was over the whole number. Let me just put a mark there, horizontal line right there. So there's basically my entry. I sold some at 38 and got as high as 49, and then as it made its way down here, I got out the balance at, I think it was 34. So not a bad trade. What else did we do today? Just want to show you this one. This was a really tough one. This was one of those ones in which, highly speculative. My timing was pretty good getting out of these trades. I guess it had some kind of news, and I got into this trade, I think, at 35, right around here at 35 on this candle. It did pop up, but crazy enough as it was, the spread, even on a 30-cent stock, was about 4 or 5 cents at some point. So, when it didn't really move quickly, I decided to get out, and I got out right about here, just about break even. And then look what happened. The candle, look at this candle, just collapsed. As it came back up, I decided, oh, well, let's take another shot at it. Got in at 48 cents. Again, it looks, I could have maybe sold some up here, but again, the spread, I was looking at 50 cents on the bid, 55 on the offer. I mean, just crazy. And again, when it wasn't moving quickly, I decided to get out again just before this candle. So I may watch this one going forward tomorrow. The reason why we were sort of interested in this is because look at what this one did. Now this is what these are supposed to do. You get into one of these penny stocks here, and they're supposed to rip up like that. When the other one didn't do that, that's what kind of gave me pause and well, I don't know. I don't really want to be in this one. This is something I will watch for a dollar break tomorrow. In fact, I'm going to put an alert on it at 103 on the break and see if it has a continuation tomorrow. What else? Well, okay, I'm in Toro. Just a little underwater on Toro. This is an earnings play. Sorry, it's not Toro. Well, it is Toro. It's just not. That's not the symbol. This is the symbol. This is an earnings play. I took it at 58.12. So I'm in right here. Still in this trade. It had the nice pop, the 8 at 27. I decided to resist it to see whether or not we could get even more. I sure like this little pattern over the whole number, but we'll see. I decided to hold on. If it breaks down below 91, certainly I will get out of the trade. But right now it appears to be holding. The other one is this TTI. I may watch it tomorrow. This came, I was actually in this one over right here. Took a break over 5. Got out of the trade. Just 1 second, please. Yeah, okay. So I'm watching this one. This came on the breakdown fade alert, which gives very few, but this is definitely quality over quantity. So this was the price, 481. I mean, you could have got in there. I've been waiting for the break. I was waiting for the break over 5. I will definitely watch this one tomorrow, though, to see if it can break over 5 and sustain it. It's just kind of choppy right now around that area, but definitely this is one that I would watch tomorrow. And I took some other trades, but I think I want to get back into the room. It's let's see, what else was there? Okay. This is my other swing trade. Resisted selling. This was a nice pre-market action. I'm in this one at 831. Still kind of holding on to see whether or not we can get a lot more out of it, to be honest. I mean, look at the daily chart, and I think you'll see why I'm interested in this one. There we go. We need a weekly chart. But you see the void I'm looking at over here. So, I mean, the next low, 1062. So, it has a ways to go if it wants to. So that's why I took this. I took this yesterday as a swing. And where's the day before? I can't really remember anymore. But at any rate, I'm in at 821 and see what happens. And again, the GNTX just kind of waiting to see whether or not it can break through 20. If it breaks through 20, I don't think there's very much resistance. Well, in fact, I'm looking right here. There's not really a lot of resistance. So, well, of course it isn't because this is an all-time high for it. All right, I want to get back into the room, so I'm going to close this down. And the TTC, yeah, I may be getting out of this. It's not reacting the way I want to. I want it to hold over 58 for sure, of course. Minute 58.12. We'll see what happens to the 15-minute chart right now. Yeah, we got these topping tails, so if it takes 57.91 out, I'll definitely get out of the trade. All right, let me close this down. And this is the address to get into the room. I usually open the room at about 8:45 Eastern Time. Get live on the mic between 9 and up to 4 p.m. Typically, actually, what I'm doing now is I'm closing the room around 3:30, but I open it up for questions at 3. Try to try to answer a lot of questions, either about the product or different setups that people might be asking me about till 3:30. And then afterwards, if I don't get any more questions, I shut the room down. If you want to take a subscription out, you can just type this into your browser, click on it, and there'll be a promo code there. And it works out to a little over $5 a day if you take our premium package on an annual basis. All right, thanks for listening, and hope to see you in our trading room tomorrow. Bye-bye.